Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I am eating cheesy, spicy chicken ramen noodle. Now I've added some cream in there because I want it to be a bit more creamy. I wanted to get the carbo noodles, but they're all sold out. So these are the next best thing. This recipe actually is inspired by Dorothy. She's a Korean mukbanger, and also Nardo. So I've got a bit of a mix of everything. Nardo has the fried chicken with the sour cream sauce and the onion, and then Dorothy has the noodles and the bacon. She wraps it in the noodle and the kimchi as well. So how has everyone been? So I'm going to get into my flat diet Dr. Pepper, because I've seen a lot of people like to say that this is flat for some reason. So here we go. Woo! You can clearly see the bubbles, but yeah. People don't realise that when you put fizzy stuff in glassware, it goes not as fizzy. Right, so let's get into the noodles. Ooh. Now, these are, let me just mix them all around. Oh my lord. I'm scared they're going to be quite spicy, guys. But this has got a creamy sauce with these. I'm going to go for it. And yes, I don't know how to use chopsticks, so don't come for me in the comments. I'm trying my best. It's very long. Right, let's go for the first bite, guys. Oh my god. It's so hot. Guys, I did end up putting the full sachet this time, so it's very hot but very good. Jesus, it's very hot and very creamy. Now I want to do what Dorothy does, and she wraps the bacon inside of it. Hang on. Okay, let's go for a bite. Mmm. Mmm. Yes. That works really, really well. Oh my god. Mmm. True. Mmm. You know what, guys? I've really come to love kimchi. I really have. Mmm. Mmm. Now, this is a treat day for me because I don't normally eat like this. Let's have this. I'm not a huge fan of raw onion, but I'm going to try it. Let's go. It's really good. Oh my god. No. Mmm. That works really well, guys. I'm quite stunned at this. I've pushed myself today to do something different. Mmm. That is so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. So. Oh my god, it's going for a huge bite, guys. Should we do it? Alright, let's go. Guys, it's so hot. How do people... I mean... How do they do it? How do people eat spicy? I mean, they have 2 sachets in 2 lots of noodles. Right, this is whiskey Tennessee sauce. And the chicken is from Bird Box, and I've done Bird Box before on my channel. Oh my god, this is so good wrapped like this, guys. You need to try it. It really masks the taste of the spiciness. Let's have another one of these. Wow. Let's have another big one. Very spicy. Woo! Wow. That's so hot. Unbelievably hot. I just can't do heat. I just can't, but it's so good. So good. This is so good. I've actually nearly finished this dish. One more. Wow. Right, guys, I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. These noodles are amazing. Very spicy, very creamy, really cheesy. I love them. The bacon is an amazing accompaniment with the noodles, guys. It's really salty and it just gives it that perfect kick. The chicken, fried chicken, crispy. Bird Box is my go-to restaurant. It's amazing. And with the onion and chive sauce and the raw onion, it goes really, really well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget you can subscribe to my membership area where I post exclusive content on there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.